Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone thinking about selling their home in today's market in the Sacramento region.
That's right, we're talking about the 5 most common mistakes sellers are making right now that could definitely cost them time, money, and peace of mind. Let's check it out.
Let's jump right in with mistake number 1, not pricing the property correctly. Pricing your home accurately is essential. Overpricing can scare away potential buyers, while underpricing can mean leaving money on the table. That's where a skilled real estate professional's expertise comes in, using the right market data, taking into consideration any property upgrades or necessary updates in order to set the perfect price.
And speaking of preparation, here's mistake number 2. Not making inspections ahead of time before going on the market. Buyers from feeder markets like San Francisco Bay Area are used to seeing inspection reports even before submitting an offer. That's why getting ahead of any issues can streamline the selling process and prevent last-minute surprises that could derail a sale.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, not staging the home. Staging can make a huge difference in how potential buyers perceive your home. It helps them envision themselves living there and allows them to visualize spaces more creatively. This could lead to faster and more lucrative offers.
Moving on to mistake number 4. Not making the necessary repairs before putting the home for sale. Addressing repairs up front not only increases the appeal of your home, but also prevents negotiations from falling through due to unexpected issues found during inspections.
And finally, mistake number 5, not hiring a full-time realtor. A dedicated full-time real estate professional has the time, the industry experience, expert local knowledge, and resources to focus on selling your home effectively. They'll handle everything from marketing to negotiations to contract reviews to ensure you get the best possible outcome.
So there you have it. If you want to avoid these 5 mistakes, make sure you give us a call for a no-obligation consultation.
Also remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly local content.